Introduction to Cryptocurrency Trading, your ultimate guide to the digital currency market. Ever wondered how people are making fortunes in the world of digital currencies? Imagine turning your smartphone into a money-making machine. Welcome to the exciting universe of cryptocurrency trading, where innovation meets opportunity. Ready to embark on this thrilling journey? Let's dive in. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring the dynamic world of cryptocurrency trading. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, this video will provide you with a solid foundation to navigate the crypto market confidently. Note, this video is for educational purposes only. And trading is a risky but wealthy profession, so do it at your own risk. Section 1. What is cryptocurrency trading? Cryptocurrency trading involves buying, selling, and exchanging digital currencies on various platforms. Unlike traditional markets, crypto trading operates 24/7, offering endless opportunities to trade and invest. Example: if you believe Bitcoin, BTC, will increase in value, you can buy BTC. If the price rises, you can sell it for a profit. Section 2. Popular cryptocurrencies to trade. The crypto market is vast, but here are some of the most popular cryptocurrencies. 1. Bitcoin, BTC. The first and most well-known cryptocurrency, often referred to as digital gold. 2. Ethereum, ETH, known for its smart contract functionality, fueling decentralized applications. 3. Ripple, XRP, focuses on enabling real-time cross-border payments. 4. Litecoin, LTC, often considered the silver to Bitcoin's gold with faster transaction times. 5. Binance Coin, BNB, the native coin of the Binance exchange, used to pay for transactions on the platform. Example: if you think Ethereum will outperform Bitcoin in the near term, you might trade ETH BTC, betting that ETH will gain value relative to BTC. Section 3. Key terms in cryptocurrency trading. 1. Altcoin, any cryptocurrency other than Bitcoin. Example: Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple are all altcoins. 2. Wallet, a digital tool to store your cryptocurrencies securely. Example: use a hardware wallet like Ledger for storing large amounts of crypto. 3. Exchange, a platform where you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Example: Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken are popular exchanges. 4. Blockchain, the technology that underpins cryptocurrencies, ensuring secure and transparent transactions. Example: Bitcoin transactions are verified and recorded on the Bitcoin blockchain. 5. HODL, a term derived from hold, meaning to keep your cryptocurrencies long-term despite market volatility. Example: I'm going to HODL my Bitcoin through this market dip.